This is the lifts at IKEA in Copenhagen. Look at the size of this. We've got a cone. Door close button does work, I like that. Capacity 53 persons, 4,000 kilos. Year made 2022. This is a big, massive lift. Look at the size of it. This is a Kone mono space. Nice buttons. It's a Kone mono space. Well, actually it's a Kone DX. Kone DX mono space, I think, I don't know. This is the lift at IKEA car park in Copenhagen. It's another Kone lift. Capacity 33 persons, 2,500 kilos. Year made 2022. Big lift. Giant lift with a Kone transeyes. Door close button does not work. There's a certificate over here. This is a mono space.